Welcome to the Tiny Artist. Today we're going to make a 3D elephant. You're going to need some paper, scissors, pencil, marker, and a cereal box or cardstock or just thin cardboard. The first thing you're going to want to do is draw the silhouette or sideways view of an elephant. Once you have that done, cut it out. You're going to then want to measure from the bottom of the belly to its back. And you're going to want to make the discs, or wherever you want to place your discs that will slide into your elephant, about 1/4 of an inch rounder or bigger than the area where you want to put them. For example, from this number 3 disc is going to slide in right here. So if I take and measure with a ruler from my belly to my back 3 inches, I want to make this 3 1/4 inches. Once you're done drawing all your discs and everything that you need to make, and you get them all cut out, you're going to need to cut these slits into the back of your elephant and into the discs that will slide down into your elephant. Now make sure that you make 2 of these elephant shapes because you're going to need 4 legs. So you're going to need to make 2 elephant shapes. Now once you have all that cut out and all your slits cut into the back and into the discs that you're going to slide into your elephant, you're going to want to decorate them. You could color them, you could put patterns on them. Now I'm going to show you how to assemble your elephant. Here is my 3D elephant. As you can see, I have 2 elephant silhouettes cut out, and I've cut slits into its back. I'm just going to take a couple of these discs out and show you how to put them in. So here are my slits. They're about 1 inch deep, and so are the slits on my discs. I'm going to now then carefully slide them into each other and down the little slots. There we go, there's one. It's kind of hard to get 2 of the slits on both of the elephant's back to line up as you're pushing the disc in. So you might need some help. So here you go, my 3D elephant. Thank you for joining the Tiny Artist. Always remember, never give up and always have fun creating.